What are some attributes of quadrilaterals? How can you describe quadrilaterals? Let's find out. Remember, a polygon is a closed shape that has only straight sides. Why is a polygon not a circle?
Okay, so today we're talking about quadrilaterals, but before we do, we're talking about polygons. A polygon is a closed shape that only has straight sides. Why can a circle not be a polygon? A circle has no straight sides.
A circle is a closed shape, but it does not have straight sides. So it is not a polygon. A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides and four angles. An angle is formed when two sides of a polygon meet. The point where two sides meet is a vertex. What shapes do you see in the classroom that look like quadrilaterals?
So today, your classroom is going to be wherever you are learning today. So if you're in your living room or your bedroom or outside, or you can explore your whole house. So remember, a vertex is where two points meet. And the side, of course, is a side. An angle is the inside piece that forms where two sides come together. So the vertex. So what shapes do you see in your classroom or your house that look like quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral has four sides. So I'm in my living room right now, and so I see the TV. The TV is a quadrilateral with four sides. I have a window, quadrilateral with four sides. So look around your house. What shapes do you see that look like quadrilaterals?
A window, the door, and the top of a desk all look like quadrilaterals. Some quadrilaterals have special names. Why are all of these shapes quadrilaterals? They are all polygons with four sides and four angles. A trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides, or sides that never cross. A parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. What does it mean to say that there are two pairs of parallel sides? It means that there are two sets of opposite sides, and those sides never cross. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are the same length. Opposite angles are the same size. A rectangle has four right angles, or square corners. A rectangle is a special parallelogram.
That means any rectangle is also a parallelogram.
A rhombus has all sides the same length. A rhombus is a special parallelogram. A square has four right angles and all sides the same length. A square is a special parallelogram. Why is a square also a rhombus? A square is also a rhombus because both a square and a rhombus are special parallelograms with all sides the same length. Now you know how to use attributes to describe quadrilaterals.
Great job. Now, next you're going to work on a Nearpod, and on the Nearpod it's going to talk to you all about what quadrilaterals are. You're going to go through each shape and you're going to identify some quadrilaterals in your classroom. But again, your classroom is going to be your house. Have fun, and I'm excited to see what you learn about quadrilaterals.